happy 75th Independence Day. On the one hand, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. But on the other hand, if we dig deep, if we look at the things closely, आज भी अपन उस एक कोट से घिरे हुए हैं, डरे हुए हैं. लोग क्या कहेंगे? Whenever you want to do something in life, there is that fear. अरे ये क्या बोलेगा? अरे वो क्या बोलेगा? अरे मुझे ये करना है, क्या मुझे ये परमिशन देगा? So actually we need to sit back and ask to ourselves, are we utilizing our freedom, our independence to the best extent possible? Though we had got this freedom 75 years back, but are we utilizing it individually, at an individual level? Are we following our intuitions? Are we following our dreams? Are we chasing? Are we doing whatever we want to do? If the answer is no, I think today is the day. Today is the day where we take an oath, a promise which we make to ourselves that yes, from this day onwards, I would try to experience some sort of freedom, some sort of independence in my life, in some zone, in some phases. It can be financial freedom, it can be mental freedom, it can be spiritual freedom, it can be a freedom to grow, to hustle, to help people around you, to be kind, to understand people around you. It can be any kind of freedom, it can be any kind of independence. It can be independence of ensuring that you are passing your legacy around. Yes, that is also important. Everyone has a story to tell, and you never know, your story can inspire people around you. So we need to ensure that yes, we are being kind, we are being humble, and at the end of the day, we are chasing our dreams. We are doing because it is a small life. Especially the past 1.5 years have shown how uncertain the life is. Actually, it has shown every damn time, but in past 1.5 year, it have shown some serious implications that please don't take this life for granted. Ensure that yes, you are doing whatever you want to. So this Independence Day, I would like we do an introspection and ask to ourselves that are we justifying our independence, our freedom? Are we not dependent on someone? For example, if we do something and we know that it was tough and we achieved it, we did it, are we appreciating ourselves? Are we giving the credit to ourselves, or we are waiting for that few people to come and tell कि अरे तूने अच्छा काम किया? हो सकता है शायद वो ना बोल पाए, हो सकता है शायद वो बिजी हो सकता है वो शायद सालों बाद बोले, but you will lose that energy, you will lose that motivation. So constant appreciation, the constant hustle is important from your end. Just be independent, just don't be dependent on anyone. Don't be dependent on someone else's compliment and then realize कि oh तुमने ये अच्छा काम किया. If you have done something substantial, just be proud of yourself, just enjoy that vibe. Just soak into yourself and be like, oh yes, I did it. You celebrate it by yourself. Because sometimes you may see people around you might not be there, might not enjoy or might not feel great about the thing which you are enjoying. That can, because हर चीज़ें हर किसी को पता भी नहीं होती. That is part and parcel of life. At the end of the day, the message is simple. Ensure that you are living an independent life. You are living that freedom. You are utilizing your freedom. You are living life like a free bird. You are chasing whatever you want to. You are following your instincts. You are taking risk. You are living every day with a trying assurance or mindset to set some new examples. Keep hustling. Enjoy this day. And if this video helps you, do mention in the comment. Thank you guys.